The Jokari 30100 is designed for quick and easy stripping of most common coaxial cable types. The blades feature a special titanium nitride coating, giving you a very long life of tool. Simply insert the coaxial cable into the upper blade, rotate it through 180 degrees, and then use the tool to grip and pull off the outer jacket. Peel back the metal shielding to reveal the inner insulation, which can then be removed and stripped using the second lower hole on the coaxial tool. The Jokari 30100 requires no adjustment and leaves you with a clean strip every time.